Arizona. We're going to look at some different species of woods. We're going to calculate some of the cost with the board feet and how you would actually buy wood from a lumberyard like this. Most of it is all based off prices by board feet. So we'll give you a quick tour of the shop inside, and then we'll talk about how to calculate some of those costs. So as we walk around the shop, you can see that it's basically just a bunch of wood stacked, but it's organized by species, and then each species has different thicknesses that you can buy. Some wood there, like this, is some purple heart. You can see that it's going to be 4 quarters, so that's about 1 inch thick. So you can see the sides there, and then if you go down a little bit here, you can see it's a little bit more expensive for 8 quarter, and you can see it's a lot thicker as well. So there's lots to choose from. There's exotic woods, there's just domestic woods, there's sheets of plywood that you can get there. There's a lot of different things, a lot of different thicknesses. Back here is where they mill it. You can actually have them do all the milling for you. So there's some people that just have them do tabletops and stuff for them. And then down here, there's some of the sheet goods that you have. They have little trim pieces. Here's some of the thicker woods that they have. Those are 12 quarters, so they're about 3 inches thick. So there's lots of different things that you can choose from. There's probably 3 or 4 aisles of just hardwoods, and then there's 2 or 3 aisles of just sheet goods. So these are all different sheet goods here. Now you can get whatever type of wood that you're using. So if you're using maple for cabinets, you can use the sheet goods for the side and then maple on the facings. Right here we have zebra wood. It's 8 quarter thick, so it's about 2 inches thick. You can see that here it's 1995 board. So I have just this piece right here. You can see it's got a good grain from the zebra wood that it has, and we want to measure it. Again, we're going to calculate it for length. 85 inches. Width is 6 inches, and the thickness is 2. So if it's 85 inches long, 6 inches thick, or 6 inches wide, 2 inches thick, and it's 1995 a board foot, how much is this wood right here, just that one piece, going to cost? Alright, so now we're over here at the Purple Heart. A lot of people like the Purple Heart because the Purple Heart is one of their favorite colors. You can see this is rough. It's not very pretty. Like you can see the color in it, but when you clean this up, it looks really nice. You can see it's 850 a board foot, 4 quarter, which is this. So 1 inch is thick, and 850 board feet. Figure out how much this piece is going to cost. This piece, if you look at it, 35 inches long. That's an 8.5 for width and 1 inch thick. 35 inches long, 8.5 inches thick. Or sorry, 8.5 inches wide and 1 inch thick. How much is it going to cost if it's $8.50 a board foot? That's an open grain texture that I would select. And this border over here, I'm going to like a tabletop. $8 a board foot. What I would say is going to make it a 6 foot by 4 foot tabletop. Just the top, don't worry about the legs. Just the top. 6 foot by 8 foot. If I calculate it, that's 48 board feet. So 48 board feet. Got $8. That's how much it's going to cost. So figure that out. But also, we want to see generally how many pieces are going to make that 48. So if I say these are 10 feet long, so 10 feet by 8 inches by 2 inches, and I can calculate how much board feet I'll need for my tabletop. So 10 feet long, 8 inches thick, and I need at least 48 board feet to figure out how many of those pieces I would need to get. So one thing Timber also has, they have a lot of finished roofing already square on all four sides. It's already dimensionalized, so it's just ready to work with. So it's going to save you as a woodworker less time preparing it, but it's going to cost you more money to buy it. So if you don't have some of the tools that you need to mill wood, this is a good option to get some nice hardwoods that are already finished in use. So we're going to look at this piece of cedar right here. So this piece of cedar is $13 if I took it up to the dresser now. Now, when I measure it, it's 8 inches wide. Check the length. 33 inches long. So 8 inches wide, 33 inches, and $13. So how much is it per board foot when it's milled up like this right here? Alright, so now we're over here looking at some of the actual cedar that's not milled up like the one I just showed you. This is all rough time. This long wigs. But this right here is only $4.95 a board foot. So if you had a large project, buying that wood over there that's already milled compared to this, we'll figure out the difference in price and what it would be.